Ducati took over the superbike scene when they came out with the fastest production superbike made thus far, the Ducati Panigale V4, that has the 1103cc Desmosedici 90-degree V4 engine, producing 214 horsepower and 91 pounds-feet of torque. The bike is so epic, I did a video last year asking Ducati to make a Streetfighter version with the same awesome Desmosedici V4 engine, and I even showed a Photoshop rendering to show various color schemes on what it should look like, and man, it looked badass. But you know what? Ducati listened to us, and they're going to be producing a 2020 Ducati V4 Streetfighter. Stay tuned and I'll show you the reveal. Let's go for a ride! Watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Continue to leave video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through. Prior to this new V4 Streetfighter, Ducati used to make a badass 1099 Streetfighter from 2009 through 12. But then changed over to a Streetfighter 848 from 2011 to 15, which was its final year, and ultimately it won Cycle World's best middleweight street bike in 2013. Fast forward to 2020 and we got a brand new badass Streetfighter V4, which will share a lot of the high-end components that are on the beastly Panigale V4, such as the 1103cc 90-degree V4 engine that produces a whopping 214 horsepower and 90 pounds-feet of torque on the Panigale. Of course, on the Streetfighter, they're going to put a lot of that power down low and in the middle where we want it for the street. It also has the same half-length chassis and swing arm, same awesome wheels, same powerful Brembo Stylema brakes, and from what I hear, the S version will have electronically adjustable Öhlins suspension, as where the base version will have a Showa suspension. Also, it has the same seat and tank. Now, where it differs is it's going to have, of course, tall and wide handlebars for more comfort on the street, in addition to lower rear sets. Also, of course, it will have a new nose and side bodywork, which the bodywork will have biplane wings because it's going to be so fast. If this new V4 Streetfighter keeps the beastly 214 horsepower from its sibling, the Panigale V4, it will be known as the fastest super naked production motorcycle built yet, dethroning the magnificent Indy Agusta Brutale 1000 Serie Oro that has 208 horsepower and costs a whopping $46,000. But will this new V4 Streetfighter dethrone the current super naked king, the Aprilia Tuono V4 1100? Oh, man. The new Ducati V4 Streetfighter will debut at the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb later this month and race by Carlin Doon. It's reported that the new Streetfighter will be going into production soon and will be available for sale next March 2020. So that begs the question, should I sell my Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory next year and get this new badass Ducati V4 Streetfighter? Leave a comment and let me know, what do you guys think about this new Streetfighter? Leave a comment and let's talk about it.
For those of you guys who want to get my gear, like this airbag vest, my camo pants, boots, gloves, leather jackets, leather pants, my phone mounts, all my cameras, I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website at CycleCruza.com, click on the menu tab My Gear, and that's links to all my stuff.
Thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.